of the exceptional. The revenue is mildly below expectations because the poll was 5142 crores. The company has reported around 5,000 crores. But let's try and see what the overall domestic and other businesses have been as well.
Okay, all right. We have Naveen Kulkarni who's joining in for a quick take. Hi, Naveen. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, we have the EBITDA number as well. Naveen, just to run you through the top numbers. On the top line, we have Nestle that's delivered a number around 2% lower than what we were working with. We were working with a number of, I think, 5,150 crores approximately. It's come around 2% lower than that. But the EBITDA number is a little bit better, which means that the margins are a bit of a beat, and they've also approved the stock split in the ratio of 1:10. Naveen, what do you make of these initial numbers? The EBITDA number, if I can help you out with that, is around 1,225. The net profit has got a bump up because it's an exceptional as well. Go ahead.
Yeah, so largely the numbers look in line with our expectations. So the EBITDA number especially, revenue number is probably 0.5% lower than what we were expecting. EBITDA number is largely in line with our expectations. PAT number, I think we have to adjust the exceptional, but since EBITDA number is largely in line with expectations, PAT number would have been probably be slightly higher than what we would have penciled in, right? So overall, I would say that Nestle numbers look quite okay to me. Nestle has been outperforming for a while now, the FMCG pack. I would say these numbers are encouraging at this point in time.
Largely in line, as far as all the other parameters are concerned. EBITDA is 1225 odd crores. This compares to the poll of 1205 crores. And remember, this is on a lower than expected revenue. So that explains the outperformance that we're seeing in the margins. Seems that the gross margins are better than anticipation as well. The net profit, of course, has the element of exceptional. I'm looking at some management commentary that has come in. They've said that for the commodities, uneven rain and rain deficit is expected to impact production of maize, sugar and oilseeds. That may have an adverse impact on pricing, but healthy milk flush expected in winter, which will keep the milk prices low. So milk is an important commodity for them, which essentially means that the margins will only improve from here or stay stable. So that's positive. Abneesh also joins in. Abneesh, at current prices and with these numbers, what's your call on Nestle?
Yeah, we remain positive. So definitely double-digit sales growth, good EBITDA growth. So this is one of the better results from staples companies this quarter. We will see that most companies will find sales growth being quite challenging this quarter because of the August month, wherein a 100-year low rainfall was there, 36% deficit. Nestle clearly from an outlook perspective also, as you highlighted, milk cost should be lower going ahead gradually. And also Maggi issue had started impacting Nestle last year around the December quarter because they had taken the price hike. That also will now come into the base soon. So that also should benefit. Plus the festival related impact should benefit in December quarter. So overall, decent set of numbers, and it remains among our top buys. And we see definitely this as a good performance or the top tier performance in the September quarter.
All right, Abneesh, thank you for joining in and giving us your quick view on Nestle. In fact, we'll also thank Naveen for stopping by and giving us his quick analysis on the stock. What we'll do is delve deeper into the numbers and get you some more as well. But just one thing, Nigel, when I started tracking Nestle, the revenues hadn't crossed 10,000 crores on an annual basis. No. But now they've crossed 5,000 crores on a quarterly basis for the first time ever. So that alone is a moment to reckon. And that time the stock price was close to around 6,000-7,000 rupees. The street has rewarded them more than what the company has reported. But the question is that it is growing.
And in case the bowl of Maggi was too large for a retail investor, now we'll be getting a little bit of, when we drive down to Lonavala and all, you get those smaller portions. So, a high amount of volumes is what we look forward to from the stock from around 23,000 rupees odd comes down to around 2,300. So after that knee-jerk reaction, the stock is now recovered all of that and it's up close to around 0.5%. But we have completely run out of time on Chartbusters. You stay with us. Trading Hour comes up next.